Okay, so our judge class is she's not here, so we will take another judge. Okay, we ask Ms. Rosalia Marian to please ask or give your question to candidate number 7. Hi, candidate number 7. Hello. Okay, very short question. If you find a money in your classroom, what will you do?
Kapoy na kong barog.
Let's move to candidate number 8. Malapit na tayo. Can you pick one? How are you?
Tayo na ano.
Okay, the judge to ask a question is none other than my partner in and run now, Miss Rosemary Amayuon. Where are you?
I'm here.
Ah, she's here.
Oh my God!
Okay, your question is, what do you want to be when you're grown up?
Wonderful pageant.
Bravo!
Bravo! Ayan ha, may mga inspiration na. I told you, Karinga is actually developing these kids to be a beauty queen someday. Candidate number 9?
Ayun, anak mo na yan, sis. Good luck na. Magaling
How are you, candidate number 9? Good also. Can you pick one, please? Okay. Now, the next one to ask candidate number 9 is none other than Judge Rosalia. Good afternoon, Miss Candidate.
Walang kabasis, sanay na sanay siya, no?
Okay, very short question.
Question, Adriana.
Okay, when you win this Miss Valentine's, what can you say to your friends and supporters?
Thank you for the beautiful question. I will say thank you to them because I won because of them. Also, I can show them my dance moves so one day they can come here and they can like copy my dance or my moves and they can win also.
Bravo!
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 9.
Ayos din naman, pwede ano?
Oo. Galing siya.
And now let's move to
idea.
candidate number 10. I
I'm sure she will be a model for every
kid.
kids.
Okay.
Diba?
Dalawa sila, yung sa
Okay.
ibang dalawa, no?
Mm-mm.
Dalawa sila na maglalaban. Yung dalawang yung magaling.
The second to the last question. Okay, may I ask Judge Lilia Tapawan again for the question to candidate number 10. Hello, yes.
Ayun na, sis.
If you had €1 million, how are you going to spend it?
I'm going to spend it wisely and not very fast. So I'm going to keep the money and also spend it wisely.
Wow. Very wise, yeah. Thank you, candidate number 10. So she will spend the money wisely and keep some.
Ayos din naman,
And Lawrence, the last
Tipid siya kasi
candidate
for the
from page
people. Kailan na
11.
inelaborate?
Sweet Kiddos here.
Tama lang tayo. Ikaw naman dito.
How are you, candidate number 11? Yan. Pangkat niya.
Tangkad pa sa kanya. Tangkad pa sa'yo, Sam.
Adjusted ka agad, ba? Okay. Yes, the last judge to give the question for candidate number 11 is none other than Judge Novi Ansca.
Hi, contestant number 11. My question is, what is your favorite motto and why?
niya naintindihan
Hindi
niya.
niya naintindihan, paulit mo.
Thank you for the question, Judge. My favorite motto in life is
Bravo. Being honest na lang.
Your motto.
My favorite motto is God restores everything. When I submit the broken pieces of my life to Him, He restores me to a beauty far more than I ever could. Because it's a beautiful motto, and it's also
Kulbaan siya. Nervous siya. Thank you. Thank you na lang.
and it's also about God.
Thank you. Bravo.